If your ASUS monitor won't turn on, the issue is often related to power connections, input settings, or a faulty cable rather than a major hardware failure. Monitors rely on both a stable power supply and a proper signal from your computer to display anything on the screen. If either of these connections fails, the monitor may appear completely unresponsive. Sometimes the problem can be as simple as a loose power cord, the wrong input source selected, or a temporary system glitch. In other situations, outdated drivers or unsupported display settings can also prevent the monitor from working correctly. Before assuming the monitor is damaged, it's important to go through a few basic checks that can often restore normal operation within minutes. Step 1. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to the monitor and wall outlet. Step 2. Try a different wall outlet or check the AC adapter if your monitor uses one. Step 3. Inspect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable and reconnect it firmly to both devices. Step 4. Turn the monitor off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then power it back on. Step 5. Use the monitor menu buttons to select the correct input source. Step 6. Reset the monitor settings or update drivers if the screen still doesn't turn on.